Hey there! If you're just getting started with your POS system and want to make sure your team only has access to the things they need, you're in the right place. Let's talk about user type permissions. Let's say you want your cashier to be able to log in and take payments, but not access reports or edit settings. So who gets to do what in the system? Imagine this. You're the store owner or manager, and you don't want your server or delivery driver going into the back office and changing settings or digging through reports, right? Totally fair. That's where user type permissions come in. They help you control who can access which features. Let's walk you through how to do it. Here's what to do. Go to back office, click on admin, select user types. Pick the user you want to edit, like server or cashier. Click edit, and you'll see a list of permissions. Just check the ones you want them to have and uncheck the ones you don't. Hit OK to save. Restart the POS so the changes take effect. And that's it. Thank you for watching.